wavelength infrared extended camera with colloidal quantum dots. So this has the potential to be the next step, game changer in quality inspection and thermal imaging. 2.1 megapixels realized with quantum dots. Sam, it's your stage.
Great. Thank you. Thanks so much. And thank you, everybody, for attending. And a big thank you to the judges as well for shortlisting SWIR Vision Systems. We're a relatively young company, and it's very exciting to not only be in Stuttgart at Vision, but to be up on the stage sharing the stage with these great companies. My name's Sam Wyman. I'm Global Sales Manager for SWIR Vision Systems. And we make SWIR and extended SWIR cameras using colloidal quantum dot sensor technology. So at our core, we're really a sensor company. We just happen to make a really nice industrial camera that's a great delivery tool to get those sensors out into the market. We make a SWIR camera that covers a 400 to 1700 nanometer wavelength range. But today, I'm here to talk to you a little bit more about our exciting eSWIR technology, which covers 400 to 2100 nanometers. So let's talk a little bit about application space. I think it's always important to put some photos up there to really get ideas flowing for what we could potentially achieve for your requirement. First one up is extended SWIR laser beam profiling. So this is a really special version of our extended SWIR camera where we take the lens off, of course, add a special wedge or rough glass over the top of the sensor, and we can profile beams by directly shooting them down onto the sensor. We're seeing a lot of activity in the extended SWIR laser space, primarily 1.9, 2, and 2.1 micron lasers. And we offer 3 sensor resolutions: a 640 by 512, 1280 by 1024, and a really, really big 1920 by 1080, which is great for larger diameter beams. Next one up, and this is a relatively recent development for us, is lithium-ion battery inspection. So recently found that the separator layers that make up the stack or the wind of a lithium-ion battery are quite transparent in the upper SWIR bands, let's say 1700 nanometers and up. So where we really live in that process is sitting over the stacker or winder machine to look down through the separator layer to look for anode and cathode alignment. As one of our customers put it, if those are out of alignment, you go pretty quickly from making a battery to a bomb. So we feel that we could be a very important component within that production process. Next up here is hot glass inspection. We have a video in the top right. I guess that's just a still. That's fine. With eSWIR, we start to get some thermal response as you get up to around 2000 nanometers. So objects that are 200 degrees C or hotter, you start to get some emitted thermal energy. But along with that, you get the high resolution and more visible characterization of traditional shortwave image. For opportunities like hot glass inspection, this means you not only can look at the temperature gradient of a wine bottle coming off a hot glass line, but you can also look for smaller features like an embossed logo, things that you might not be able to pick up with a microbolometer solution. Also multi and hyperspectral solutions. Our camera out of the box isn't a multi or hyperspectral camera, but we have customers who take our colloidal quantum dot sensors and then convert those into multi and hyperspectral systems. And then finally, probably not super applicable to the conference here this week, but of course, SWIR is really good at looking through degraded environments. So this is a really nice aerial shot from our partners in Australia at Saccade Vision over Melbourne. As you can see on the left-hand side, that's a visible image, and on the right with the SWIR really penetrating a lot further down the coastline. You start to see the sun poking through in the distance. Just some great HD SWIR imagery that we love. Next up here, we have a quick explainer video told in an accent that's much more pleasing to the ear than mine, so we'll take that away. Oh, wondering if, yeah. Well, anyways, urge you to go to our website. It's right on the landing page if you want to check it out after the talk. All right, so taking a look at comparison of our extended SWIR product to the rest of the extended SWIR market. Right up at the top, it's lowest cost eSWIR solution that we know of currently on the market today. The dominant technologies that you'll find around the halls today are mainly cooled in-gas and MCD cameras. It's great technologies, not knocking it at all, and for certain applications, they're certainly needed. But if you're looking for a lower cost option that's single stage tech cooled, we bring a really great product to the market. Again, uncooled, single stage tech, broadband sensitivity. This is huge. We're offering a full 350 to 2100 nanometer range, which for a lot of applications, having that visible component as well is just really crucial. Again, the high resolution, we have the world's first 2.1 megapixel sensor, both in our SWIR and eSWIR cameras. Very simple and easy to use GUI that ships standard with all of our Accuros products. We're EAR99 non-ITAR, so ease of global export, just crucial for global supply chains. Delivery in under 4 weeks, that's not a typo. We're shipping directly from our facility in Durham, North Carolina in under 4 weeks, sometimes faster. We just recently had an order that we were able to turn in the week, actually. So kudos to our supply chain guy. He's a bit of a wizard, but we're able to maintain those really short delivery times. Another thing to talk about here is sensitivity and SNR. So we recently did a direct comparison with both our SWIR and eSWIR cameras as compared to the new Sony IMX 990 and 991 sensors, which are, again, great in-gas sensors. But we did find that we have 10 dB higher sensitivity as opposed to those sensors. And I don't know if this video will play. Yeah, there we go. So here's a QR code. You can see the dBs on the bottom. Pretty nifty demo. If you actually hold your camera up, you can see when your phone actually recognizes that QR code. But we do find that we're compared a lot of times on strictly quantum efficiency, but we think there's more to that story. So it's really important to look at SNR. Finally, we like simplicity at SWIR Vision Systems. Sometimes buying an imaging camera, industrial camera, can be a little bit more complex than it needs to be. We've really broken it down into some really easy steps. So first off, you choose your series. We have 4 series within our Accuros line: our SWIR imaging, our eSWIR imaging, our SWIR laser inspection, and our eSWIR laser inspection. After that, you choose your sensor resolution: VGA, 1.3 megapixel, or 2.1 megapixel. Choose your interface: USB 3 or Gigi Vision, all are GeniCam compliant. And finally, you can choose an optional lens. We have a number of lenses that are purpose matched to all of our sensor resolutions in stock and ready to ship. Starting at 11K US, and again, delivering in under 4 weeks. So thanks so much for coming to the talk. And of course, visit us at Hall 10, Aisle B, Booth 54. We'll be here all week, and happy to engage with you and answer any questions that you might have. Thank you.